structure, these are our weekly group meetings where we try to develop that. We come to the market situation, we develop that. We found out that we have huge stand-up paddling market. We decided that our propulsion needs to be attachable to the devices, so because we can attach to more wire devices, and that'll make it a universal product, and therefore we can generate more sales and bigger profits. Our target group, when it comes to business to consumers, we found out that we want to target the sportive, the water-refined, nature-oriented people, fishermen, and etc. Also, we can see from the point of view of business to business. On that way, we can distribute this watering device to sport or rehabilitation centers, aqua parks, and etc.
Hi. In the different meeting, each member proposed different options to the sky. So the first option was adapt one boat motor to the ski. The issue was put up or inside. But also the problem here with this design is no safety. If somebody swimming around, the motor can be hurt. So the other possible design is the watercraft design. It's more safety because the hélice is inside. Also the issue is if we will put up or inside. So we start to think about the design of the ski. The possible design ski is like catamarans. So we will want to create the propulsion. We have a lot of discussion about that, so we propose to create some kind of box. Inside we will the propulsion, and if you want, you can put in the sky, or you can take out. So this is the possible design.
Until now, we figured what is the market situation. We found competitors and target groups. We believe that our competitors are some devices like aqua skippers, ski joggers, and some inflatable things like
Just one moment. We are in business here, and we have presentation, and you see about 120 people, and then 3 people talking are disturbing the focus, concentration. Period.
We also made a decision on the technical solution for the prototyping. And next we have to do is to start the prototyping. We have some midterm paper that we arranged that with our mentor, and we need to develop the marketing strategy.